Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this time the Theta network doing a very big mistake. It is the last of month, and on this day the people start a very biggest mistake. So absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you will lose your money in a cryptocurrencies market and invest. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. For more details, keep watch this video complete. And if you are new to my channel, please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Theta network in the market is 6.44 USD dollar. That's the latest price of the Theta network. And furthermore, if we discuss the price change of the Theta network, so the latest last 1 hour pricing is negative. You can see here only the yesterday, the last 24 hours pricing is positive, and the previous 1 week pricing is again negative. So my friends, that's mean that Theta network start jump for a little time. Only from last 24 hours the pricing is positive, but the previous changes and the currently latest change of the Theta network is negative. And let me show you the price chart of the Theta network for better understanding, my friends. My friends, you know what, from the start of June and still the price changes of the Theta network is negative. So if the price changes of the Theta network is negative, so that's mean that the price is going down, the price is going to decrease. So you are lose your money, you are losing your money and the Theta network, so you are in the loss. In the June month you are in the loss, but if you decide to sell on this time, so you are completely in the loss. That's why I recommend for everyone to please hold, don't decide to sell. Hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Theta network? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates videos.